Hello friends, is my voice clear? Welcome to Value Stocks. I am Shailesh Sharaf, the founder of Value Stocks. So today we are going to share, welcome. I can see a lot of friends. Welcome everybody. Vikash, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Very much clear. Now your voice is not coming.
Yeah. So let's start the. So friends, this is in the stock market. I would like to share a very simple thing. In the stock market, there are two things which you need to remember. The most important thing: buy quality and buy cheap. This is the most. अच्छा लेना है, सस्ता लेना है. So this is the very important mindset when we started the research many years back. So everybody wants to come to quality stocks, right? So what is the difference we have created? It is the speed. It is the time. See, today we are extremely busy and people don't have much time. So what we have done through the app is that how you can reach quality stocks probably within 1 second. Now that is the kind of research we have done, that can we reach quality stocks instantly, right? So I'll show you that. First we found out we only do research, friends, only on research stocks, only on NSE stocks. Okay, Vikash, can you open the Excel file first and then we'll take them to the app. So what we did was, so first is the quality stocks. I want to show you, because the Excel file, open all the stocks, show the number. So we do only research on NSE stocks. Okay, so then how many stocks are there? Because just show them the number.
1593.
1593 stocks are listed on NSE, and we have to buy 15 stocks, correct? So how do you reach that 1%? How do you reach that 1% is what everybody is doing. Even Warren Buffett is doing that. Even the top fund managers are doing that. Everybody wants to reach to those 15, 20 good stocks. So I will show you some ways where you can come to those 15, 20 stocks in a systematic manner through our app. Okay. So the first thing what we have done is we have created for every stock, we have created a score. It's like a CIBIL score, right? So this is called a quality business score. Okay. So the first thing we will show you every company, and we'll show you how we have created, because in most of my webinars, I've shown that how do you see the QBS, which I will show you also, which you can see free of cost for all the stocks. So let me see. Now the QBS score, the maximum score can be 22. How much score can be? 22. Quality score. Companies which are doing great sales growth, profit growth, companies which the prices will go up. Now, this is one thing. Now, second thing, what I have realized in meeting with my customers, they always tell me one thing, that, sir, how do we decide that how future prices of stocks will go up? Correct? So what we found out from our research, that whenever the company is doing a lot of sales growth and profit growth and has ROE, those stock prices tend to go up in future. Because people tell me, sir, wo to aaj ka hai. How do you know that it will go in future? So basically, friend, please remember, it takes a lot of time for company to do sales growth continuously and profit growth and ROE. And when we did our research, we found out that all the intelligent people in the world, they follow the same formula, right? So from this, we created a score, which I will show you more in detail. But let me see how many stocks are above 18. 22 can be the highest score. Because how many stocks are there above 18?
Yes, showing.
How many stocks are above 15? Dikha de, Vikash. So see, I'll show you how many stocks are above 15. When you give a score to each quality, that these companies will have greater chance of growing.
309 out of 1593.
Out of 1500, there are only 300 companies. Basically, so that is the first filter, where we are discussing only good companies now, which is 20%. There is a Pareto's law, only 20% companies are good in the country. Okay, but we have to come to 20, 30 stocks. 300 is large enough, correct? So in my app, what we have done is I have further done from this, I have further done a thing where I have done strong buy and buy. I have recommended those where the current quarter and the last year results are all very good. Where these scores are based on 5-year data, but 5 year is a long time. So what we realized was whenever there is a historic data, also the last year is doing well, also the current quarter is doing well, those prices of stocks goes the highest up. Again, I'm repeating, friends, for everyone. Our QPS score is based on 5 years, but we have to check, and there are 300 stocks, right? So out of 300 stocks, how many stocks are also doing well in the last year and also in the current quarter? So we will see how many are strong buy and buys. Because how many are strong buy and buys?
Yeah.
They're all things I will show you. What I'm showing you, I will show you in the app also, how you can do it once you become my customer.
Yeah, strong buy and buy.
It's a very intelligent way to receive. So how many stocks are there, Vikash?
116, 116.
116 stocks are there, friends, who are buy and strong buy. So we have already come to about 8% now. So 1,590, 1,600 stocks were there. Then we said which companies have done quality business in the last 5 years. So those, and now out of those are companies which is also doing well in the current quarter. That means their growth story, their success story is still continuing. They are still continuing the success story, correct? So now we have 116 stocks which are there. Okay, now what is the next level we can do? The next level we can actually study is, what we study is, let's see the sales growth. Let's see the sales growth of the best companies. Okay, so let's see the sales growth of them. We have already qualified the sales growth. So I'll show you what you can do in the app. Then we'll come back here. We had 116 and we'll come back to 20, 30 stocks. So let's go back now, which you can do free on the app on our website. Because go back.
Go to the website or?
Our website, yeah.
Okay.
I'm taking you to the website, which you can also use free of cost.
Yes.
So now you can see this is our website, valuestocks.in. You can go there and you can also download the app if you want to do it very conveniently on the phone. You can also download the app, and this is free. Rest is all paid, but this area is free. Because can you check this area free, which is the area free? And you just, this area is free where you can check the quality of the stocks. So if you click, okay, give me any one name, friend. Any one name, if you can give me. Any one name. Quickly, friend. Okay, Adani Gas. Okay, let's take Adani Gas. Okay, let's take HDFC Life. I think so. That's more interesting. HDFC Life. Okay, done. Enough. Don't go enough. One stock only. So we are going to HDFC Life, and you can see this free. So now, what is the questions? These are all the questions which a person has for a stock. So all these questions give you the idea that what you can do with the stock. So if you click HDFC Life, so you can see the score is 19 out of 22. 19 out of 22. If you're an unpaid customer, okay, we can show when if you're an unpaid customer, just log out once and log out. And if you're an unpaid customer, how it will show, I'll show you. Again, I'm going to HDFC Life. If you're an unpaid customer, it will give you a number and will show you it's a great company. If you can see how many stocks are there greater than 18, and there are 127 companies which is greater than 18. They will not give you the exact number if you're not a customer, but it will tell you there are 127 great companies who are there in the what we have marked. So our first intention, where I've seen the customers lose or the investors lose maximum money when they invest in bad quality stocks, when they invest in stock which are low priced, because एक mindset है कि low price stock बढ़ने में ज़्यादा chance है, risk कम है. That's a wrong thinking. Another, people have good and famous companies लेने की habit है किसी को. So those doesn't work, friends. What works is the company is growing sales, company is growing profits, उसी का दाम सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ता है. We have checked multi-baggers company where the sales growth, profit growth, ROE. So if you see, we have calculated how this score is calculated. ROE, free cash flow, sales growth, EPS growth for last 5 years. Right? So this is how you can instantly invest only in good quality companies. Why customers like us is that, अच्छा ये company अच्छी है. I have a track record of 5 years. Sir, सब लोग business करते हैं. We have 264 people in the webinar. You know, 5 years अच्छा business करना is not easy. Correct? And company जो अच्छी करती है वो इतना जल्दी एक दिन में खत्म नहीं होता है. Quality companies do not die down in one day, friends. I'm telling you. There are stories like Yes Bank, Vakrangi होती है, 10 साल में एक दो कंपनी होती है. But जो अच्छी quality companies है, they do not go down in one quarter. तो आपको बहुत समय मिलता है अगर वो खराब होने के लिए. Okay? So basically, you have to first understand is buy quality companies. That is the key aspect. Okay? So आप हर कंपनी के बारे में आप जान सकते हैं. अब जैसे आप नीचे आएंगे, obviously हम लोग करंट वाला छुपाते हैं because we want also the people to become, you can see what you will get once you become a customer. Okay, so I'm showing now, I'm going to the paid app now. So आपको ये मालूम पड़ जाएगा कम से कम कंपनी अच्छी है. So I'll be happy even if you're not my customer. ये जो 18 and above है, जितने कंपनीज आप उसको क्लिक करिए, those are always safe for investments because those are good companies, friend. Those are very good companies. 18 and above. Okay, now we are going back to, so that is the first thing you need to do is buy quality stock. So many people used to tell me, sir, बहुत चीज देखना पड़ता है, but now you have to see only 1 minute and check whether it is a good stock or not. So first, your alignment, your mind alignment should be that let me go to quality stocks first. You guys go to the Excel now. So we have developed a new thing which I want to show you, which I'm going to add in the thing, that how do you come to good stocks now? Okay, so I'll show you. So now we have how many stocks? Have you come to 116 stocks, Vikash? Hello?
Yeah,
Vikash?
116 stocks.
Sorry?
116 stocks.
So we have come down to the good stocks which are very good in the market. Okay, but now we have to come, they already have some sales growth and everything. Now we do the second additional sales growth, which we are going to add called the sales screener. Okay, so इसमें सबसे important है हम लोग को ये देखना पड़ता है कि पहले हम लोग sales screener एक नया ऐड कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग और कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि कंपनीज अच्छी है. Okay, so let's study companies in large cap. Companies in large cap. Because you can hide the stock names so that there's no problem. This is our bread and butter. So I'll show you the strategy. Okay. So we've hidden the stock name because I can't give you the entire strategy here, but I will show you how we reach to the good stocks. Okay. So now we have 116 stocks, right? Now let us come to, because let us come to 5-year sales growth. Let's take large cap. पहले large cap study करते हैं. 100 stocks. 100 stocks, large cap. Then we'll study mid cap and then we'll study small cap also.
Yes, large cap.
Okay, so let's study companies from high 5 year का average sales growth जिसका highest है, वहां से पहले study करते हैं. तो top 20 को क्यों हटा दिया बेटा? मार्किंग तो ठीक ही किया हुआ था.
Okay.
Highest से लगा? Yes. how do you decide to come to those 15-20 stocks? So आपको सबसे पहले कैप डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि हमको लार्ज कैप इन्वेस्ट करना है. Okay, so let's study large cap stocks, which will do very well, which will give you at least 20-25% return. So there is a company, अगर आप देखेंगे historically, इसमें 395 sales growth है. But अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे इसका QBS देखिए, the score is only 1. So that means if sales growth कर रहा है, but there is no profit growth, there is no ROE, there is no cash flow in the company. That means ये sales भी कितना genuine है वो हमको मालूम नहीं है. Right, because the QBS score is very low, so forget about it. Let's go to the another company. Okay, now it is showing 5-year average growth is 347, but again the QBS score is very less. And current quarter में अगर आप देखेंगे, so first, okay, let me explain you the each step. Okay, so now see, we have taken sales growth of all the 5 years. कि कौन-कौन sales growth कर रहा है for every year, and we have taken the current quarter, September current quarter, and we have taken the average. Okay, now there is a third company. देखिए, this is where the money is made. There is a company called उसका score है 21 QBS. That means 5 साल उसका super track record रहा है. For in profits also, सिर्फ sales देख के तो पैसा आएगा नहीं. Okay, so you also have to see that this company also has a great QBS score. Okay, obviously we are not showing the company name, Mr. Vikash. We have hidden it purposely. We cannot give you the company name. We are showing you the strategies where money is made. This is the new finding we have done, and minimum 20-25% return per year. Only basis of good companies. So this company has a solid QBS of 21. इसका sales अगर आप देखेंगे 56% का इसका sales है growth. And हर साल grow किया है 19, 34%, 30%. It's a very, very good company. Profit कर रहा है, ROE अच्छी है. Okay, so it's a very, very good company. Sector भी लगा दे विकास, so they can guess. Put the sector also for them. पहले display name के पहले. Okay, very good question, Mr. Swadeep Singh. So that is why when you see a sales growth going down, you should not. So I will show you also, Mr. Swadeep Singh. That's a good question. And we are the only ones which show on the front page of our app that how you can exit the counter. We are the only one, Mr. Swadeep Singh. Okay, I'll show you. Let's Vikash Swadeep Singh को दिखा दो पहले. अपना ऐप में फ्रंट पेज ऑन द ऐप में मैं दिखाता हूँ एग्जिट फैक्टर्स. ये देखिए, ये एग्जिट पैरामीटर्स है मिस्टर स्वदीप सिंह. वी आर क्लियरली ये 4-5 चीज का ध्यान रखिए which gives you the very risky stocks. If you click here, it will tell you what are the areas जो शेयर को आपको एग्जिट कर जाना चाहिए. और मेरे ऐप में जितने स्टॉक्स हैं, most of the companies are, you know, okay, so this is the Mr. Swadeep Singh. This is, please don't answer any more questions right now. Please let me complete my seminar, please. Abhijit Majumdar, please hold on to your questions, please. Okay, let's go back to, you can see it free, Mr. Abhijit Swadeep Singh. Yeah, मेरे ऐप में free of cost है front page में. Where value stocks में आप जाएंगे तो valuestocks.in. No, because go back to the strategy. Go back to the Excel, Vikash. Okay. So obviously it's a very good company. 21 QBS score है. That means 5 साल company continuous profit भी कर रहा है, sales भी कर रहा है, ROE भी अच्छा और पैसा save भी कर रहा है. They have a lot of cash flow. इतना पैसा company बना रहा है कि doesn't know free cash करें क्या. And those are companies which is the best company. You know, दूसरे जगह है तो working capital की problem है. Company working capital का problem नहीं है. इतनी अच्छी company है. Okay. And the sales growth is 56%. इसका वो sector लगा दे विकास.
Yeah, sector given.
आप देखेंगे this company is based in insurance. Okay, it's a skew. And अगर आप एक और चीज हम लोग बनाए अपने आप में कि 20 times में 60% इसका शेयर का दाम बढ़ता ही है when Nifty rises. This is another thing which is added. Add हो गया ना विकास हर शेयर का AGS आज लाइव हो गया क्या?
Working on it. I think most probably कल तक लाइव हो जाएगा.
So tomorrow it will be live. Every company कितनी बार निफ्टी से बढ़ता है वो भी मैं दिखा दूंगा. So this is definitely a great stock and मेरा category में भी अगर आप देखेंगे it is buy. Now let's come to another company. अगर आप देखेंगे 157 So I'll show you the name of this company because I don't want to hide, because एक company का नाम विकास दिखा सकते हो ये वाला 21 वाला, because I'm sure people really want to know the company's name. So I always want to tell you one of my favorites. So it is Bajaj Finserv. It is my all-time favorite. It is my all-time favorite. मैंने बहुत बार बोला इसलिए मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. So this is Bajaj Finserv, right? So you should definitely buy Bajaj Finserv. So इस तरीके का strategies हमारे ऐप में आप बहुत easily कर सकते हैं. Now next stock is, अगर आप देखेंगे historically, very very good sales, extremely good sales. 147 QPS score थोड़ा सा low है, it is 13, but sales growth में बहुत अच्छा है. अगर 13 है, that means कहीं ना कहीं इसका profit and ROE में problem है, so you can avoid, because मैं usually चाहता हूँ लोग 18 and above में invest करें. Okay, let's go to another company. 19 है इसका QBS score, मतलब 5 year. विकास मार्क करते रहना जहां मैं दिखाऊंगा. विकास please put the cursor on 19 please, so that they can understand. एक और कंपनी है जिसका स्कोर 19 है, मतलब प्रॉफिट कर रहा है, आरओई अच्छा है, बहुत सुपर सॉलिड कंपनी है. करंट में भी उसका 39% सेल्स ग्रोथ है, 5 साल का एवरेज. हर साल का देखिए 31% ग्रोथ, 40%, 55, 35, 33. ट्रिमेंडस कंपनी है सर, ट्रिमेंडस कंपनी इज दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर ग्रेट स्टॉक which is also buy in my app, which is definitely a great buy. It is a large cap stock, tremendous sales, and दाम बढ़े जा रहा है कंपनी का. ये भी आपको हिंट दे दूं, it's a new listed company, by the way. If you can get it, please buy it, no problem. Okay, next, another company which is 18, terrific sales growth. अगर आप देखेंगे, okay, मैं इसका भी नाम रिवील करता हूं क्योंकि मैं हरदम नाम रिवील करता हूं इसका. So I'll reveal the name for this also stock. Bajaj Finance, another favorite company, sir. अभी भी लोग बोल रहे हैं 5,000 हो गया, कितना बढ़ेगा. The sales are fantastic. How many companies are able to do sales? अगर आप देखेंगे 5 साल के एवरेज में 30% के ऊपर सिर्फ 5 कंपनी है जो 5% सेल्स एवरेज ग्रोथ कर पा रहा है. Only 5 companies, friend. ओके, ऊपर का तो 2 हाइड कर दो विकास, क्योंकि वो ऊपर वाला अडानी वो तो डोंट बाय दैट स्टॉक जो 395 है, बिकॉज वो एक ही साल ग्रो हुआ था, उसमें तो प्रॉफिट ही नहीं है कंपनी में. सो बजाज फिनसर्व, बजाज फाइनेंस has always been my all-time favorite. It will always remain. The way they have grown in sales, अभी even during COVID time, their sales have not fallen. Okay, so they have always been my favorite, friend, always. Okay, so I think so. अभी जब से दिवाली के टाइम है, I'm again hearing that the sales are booming up. तो जब दिसंबर क्वार्टर का सेल्स रिजल्ट्स आएगा, you will see again they will grow to 20-30%. So Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, great company. Then let's go back to another company. अगर आप देखेंगे, very good growth. Okay, 45, 39 continuous growth हुआ है, but अभी लेटेस्ट क्वार्टर में भी 11% डाउन है. Okay, so ऐसे करके there are 17-18 companies जो हम लोग फाइंड करते हैं historically. So this is the sales screener, जिससे आपको 5 साल क्या कर रहा है कंपनी, करंट में क्या कर रहा है. I have seen जिस कंपनी का सेल्स 20%, 30% बढ़ता रहता है रेगुलरली in 5 years, in the last year, in the current quarter, those company prices grow the highest. So this is the new sales. Many customers who are already, I can see. So this will be available in the app in the next 1 week. 7 to 10 days में हम लोग एक सेल्स स्क्रीनर बना रहे हैं, जहां पर आपको 5 साल का सेल्स मिल जाएगा कि कंपनी ग्रेट है. लार्ज कैप क्लिक करिए, उसके कौन से कंपनीज ग्रेट है, एंड वी शुड नॉट मिस दोस शेयर्स इन आवर स्ट्रेटजी. Like Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance will always remain our all-time favorite. Despite having COVID problem, the sales figure did not go down. Okay, recent में अगर आप फिर देखेंगे कौन सी कंपनीज अच्छी कर रही है ये 5 years से, फिर हम लोग we can also see companies from Y&Y. तो मैं आपको Y&Y से दिखाता हूँ, because Y&Y से करो, ये करंट सितंबर क्वार्टर में कौन सा सेल्स ग्रोथ किया है. That is another way to see. So this exact file हम लोग ऐप में अवेलेबल करने वाले हैं. Because many people were asking me, sir, जब sales growth कर रहा है तो उसमें best sales growth कौन सा है वो मुझे बता दीजिए, तो मैं उसमें invest कर देता. So अगर आप देखेंगे कंपनी है जिसका बहुत अच्छा QBS स्कोर है 19 और हिस्टोरिकली परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा था, डिसेंट था 15%. लास्ट ईयर देयर वाज नो परफॉर्मेंस, बट दिस क्वार्टर द सेल्स हैव जंप्ड बाय 46%. 46% उसका सेल्स ग्रोथ है. कस्टमर्स हु आर ऑलरेडी पेड, यू कैन एक्चुअली गो बाय एंड बाय में आप 40% ऊपर करिए, वो स्टॉक का नाम आपको मिल जाएगा. Who are paid customers, you will get it immediately. You can do it yourself. You know how to do it. Go to Y&Y September and you will get the stock name immediately. What is this company? Large cap में कौन सा company है जो 46% growth की है? So this great company, you know, I'll tell you, it's a tire company. It's a tire company. I'm telling you, it's in automobiles. It's a tire company, and 46% sales growth है उसमें. Okay, so we were finding out they have actually made some large tires, you know, heavy duty tires बनाया है, and they're doing very well. They have created a new segment only. Normal tire business से नया product create किया है, and they have grown the sale. Okay, so this is a great company जो last year अच्छी नहीं करी थी, but अभी September quarter में बहुत अच्छा किया है. Okay, very good. So Anupam has already given the name, but I can only see. You cannot. Everybody cannot see Anupam, so I will not name. Good guess, Anupam. You've already guessed. That's the right name. But sadly, I can only see your. Wow, Tuhin has also got it correct. Okay, wow, many people have got it. Girish have got it. Mitesh have got it. No, Suil, that's wrong answer. Aditya has got it. Very good. No, many people. Anil Kumar, APL Apollo is a metal company. It's not a tire company. Devashish, that's a wrong answer. But that's good actually. That's a wrong answer. Anil Kumar Pillai, wrong answer. Venkatraman, wrong answer. Mangesh, wrong answer. Anil Kumar Pillai, wrong answer. Now everybody is tapping all the shit. Tire industries, so ek to the right ho gayi. So many people have got it right. Okay, many people have got it right. So this is a good game, huh? It's a अच्छा game, we can play this game actually, you know. So they can guess the name of the company. That's good actually. That's good. let's play this game. I think so that will be interesting. Let's go to the another share. Okay, this company also great company, 19 score. It is an insurance. It is insurance and it has tremendous growth. अगर आप देखेंगे 35%. You know, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, you can easily see the name. I can show you later. Go to Pratik, you can see. Yes, Bajaj Finserv is an insurance company, Mr. Sapan. 55% business comes from insurance. Bajaj Allianz. Mr. Sapan Garain, Bajaj Allianz is Bajaj Finserv. Okay, great company, very, very good company, strong buy. Okay, yeah, many have got it right. That's correct name. No, Venkat, wrong name. Sumit, wrong name. So Mangesh has got it right. Vatsal has got it right. Mahendra has got it right. Good. So that's a good practice. That's a good practice. Okay, let's go to the another share, 21. They have grown by 28%. Okay, a great company, 21. Stanley, you got it right. Mr. Vijay Kumar, this is a small spelling, but the first letter is right. It is not that name. Okay, so it's an agrochemical 21. Fantastic. Fantastic, you know, super company. Vinod ji, very good. Vinod Tiwari ji, fantastic. Jesse Singh, correct answer. Mitesh, wrong answer. Kishore, right answer. Vatsal, wrong answer. Wrong answer. APC, wrong answer. Wow, everybody is playing. Huh? It's a good fun. So people are able to guess. Some people are able to guess. Some people are not able to guess. So some people have got it right. Okay. So next company, again, it's a metal and mining company. It's a metals and mining company. Okay, 20, they have grown by 20, but historically, if you see, they were not doing well for the last 2 years. No, wrong answer, wrong answer. The score is 16. The score is 16. Okay, Vikas, show the metal company to them. So it is Hindustan Zinc. It is Hindustan Zinc. That's correct, Mr. Chandrani. So it is Hindustan Zinc. Okay. So if you see any commodity related companies, you have to be very, very careful. Because अभी थोड़ा सा metal prices बढ़ा है, so it is doing well. So commodity stories are जब तक the prices of the commodity will rise, the stock prices will rise. जहाँ commodity prices will stop, it will grow. So I am not a very big fan of metal companies until it is very good. Okay, but it's a decent company. अभी थोड़ा grow किया in this current quarter. In this current quarter, government PSU is a big no. Hindustan Zinc is not a PSU, by the way. Masudul Hassanji, Hindustan Zinc is not. It is owned by Vedanta. It is not a government company. The name suggests it's a government company, but it's not a government company. It's Vedanta owned. Mr. Masudul Hassan Khan. Okay. Next slide again. Great company 19 from pharma. Okay. It has performed very well. 21%. Mr. Vidya Shankar. Okay, great company, 19. It is, the average sales growth is not very good. It's 2%, but in the current quarter, they have done very well. Okay, Vikas, put it from the last year now. You should always study which companies are having sales growth in the current quarter, in the last year, in the 5 years. So you will never miss the good stocks, because this makes the stock prices goes up the maximum. So you should know 5 year, last year, and the current quarter. If you can do all three together, you will never miss a great stock. Now I'm showing you from 1 year. This is last year, 19 and 20 financial year, which companies were growing. Okay, the bank's private. So the score is 13. Let's see who can guess. They're not doing great profit. ROE is not good, but it's a bank private. Who can guess this company? 13 score, and they are doing some fantastic sales growth. Not correct, not correct. Thomas wrong, RSC Menon wrong, wrong, Sham Soni wrong, Anilji wrong, Suresh Mitesh wrong, Deep Rana wrong, Vatsal wrong, Jagan Naidu wrong. Mahendra ji got the right answer. Mahendra Banek is the only one. Mahendra ji, right answer. It's a good game, huh? So the Mahendra ji has got it right. So I give the marks to Mahendra ji. अभी recent quarter में Mahendra ji बहुत अच्छा किया है ये. Undervalued हो रखा है मेरे में. But the score is not very high. But it's a decent stock. Mahendra Khude, right answer. Well done. Only Mahendra ji and Devashish Poddar, right answer. Devashish Poddar, right answer. Fantastic. Okay. Next stock which has done very well in last year was in fertilizer and agrochemical. It is 15. It is 15. The score is 15. Okay. So in the latest quarter also they have done well. It's a decent company, but tendency is it does not grow much. Yes, Thomas Panicker, right answer. Only Thomas Panicker, all are wrong. Thomas Panicker, right answer. Fine, fantastic. Fantastic, okay. So next one again, this company, 11 from the financial services. From the financial services, उसका mark कर देना विकास, थोड़ा ऊपर कर दें, sorry ऊपर power कर देना ये, sorry, line mark कर देना विकास, can you mark the line? Yeah, this is better, right? So this is the company. This company is not very interesting. Then you have 10. Let's study this company because 19 में आ जाए. Because 19 में आ जाए, please. Next 19. Yeah. Not correct, not correct. They are all large cap companies, huh, by the way. 19. So this is a financial services company also. 19 is the thing. Okay, great company. It is also growing fantastically. 19 is the financial services. Fantastic. Mr. APC, Anil Kumar Agarwal, correct answer. That we teach in the class, Mr. Sopan Garen. Mr. Jagan Naidu, you got it right. Joshua Tet is right. Many people have got it right. Lalit Dubey, right. Vikas, right. Mahindra Kude, wrong answer. Stanley Fernandez, right answer. So it's another great company which is doing great sales. So today we are doing a sales screener that whenever you want, you have to study the company from the sales point of view. It's very, very important. If you don't study from the sales point of view, you will always miss great opportunity. Right? So these are all large cap companies. Let's study another company, 20, go to 20 because last, and then we'll go to mid cap. Because go down, sales, yeah. This one, 20, Bajaj Finserv Finish, yeah. It's a financial services company again. Very decent growth, strong buy. It is risen by 559%. Fantastic, Aditya. Fantastic, Stanley, right answer. Anupam Gupta, right answer. So basically, these are my favorite stocks. You know, any company which is doing tremendous sales in 5 year, last year, and current quarter. These are my favorite stocks all the time, which I keep talking about again and again. People have heard me talking about this stock again and again. Yes, thank you, Stanley, for purchasing the stock. Okay, Mr. Abhi Adate, please write the name, then I will tell you whether it is the right stock or not. So basically, this is how you decide the top stocks in the market. Which are the top stocks in the market? Okay. Now, for everybody's benefit, let's go to mid cap now, Vikash. Mr. Ashish Bose, this is decided by SEBI. SEBI decides this every 6 months, Mr. Ashish Bose. It is updated in the app. Deep Rana is the wrong answer. What is oxalitis? Okay, now we are going to mid cap. We are showing you the top stocks from mid cap, 5 year sales, current sales, everything. Is this interesting, friend? Is this good? Sales, this is the new sales. Good year. Yes, there is no problem, Mr. Vivek Sawant. So we are now studying mid cap stocks from 5 year average. You can do this in the app. We'll be putting the sales screener so that you can understand the best large cap stocks in sales, but best mid cap stocks, you will always get it. Now we are trying to show that Mr. Nitish Shinde, you missed, so we can't. So basically, again, we are now studying mid cap stocks. Okay, Mr. Nitin Shinde, I'll just explain in half a minute. You joined late. That sales growth, you should always know the sales growth of the top companies, and they become the multi-baggers. People ask me which companies will become multi-baggers, which will give the highest return. So for me, sales growth has been one of the most paramount things to understand. So with a high QBS, okay, which I've explained in the start. So if your company has a high QBS and then they have a high sales growth, you know, and they're continuing the sales growth, those companies tend to do very, very well. Okay. So now we have a company again, you know, let's remove 65,000. If you see the average, you guys charge something kar dena, so hard code kar dena, so that yeah. So if you see this is in my app, Mr. Nitish Shinde. That is what this is all available in the app, my app. Okay. So this is the company which has been doing 23, 29. It's an energy, oil and gas company. The QBS score is 15 and has been doing tremendous growth. Okay, but there is no 5 year return is not very good. You know? Let's take companies which is also given fantastic returns. Okay, let's guess this company, but it has not given fantastic return, 180. Take the second company, 4-year return is 118%. Okay, because go up slightly, second line mein line bana. It's a financial services company. Again, the score is 17. Okay, recently listed in the last 2 years. It has been recently listed, but it is showing some fantastic sales growth. Fantastic sales growth, and in the last 2 years, it is risen by 118%. Okay, so I'll show you the name also of this company. Let's see how many people get it. So it is Avas Financial. Thank you. APCC is getting right. It is a Jagan Naidu, right? Avas. So it's a great company which is grown by 55% in the financial sector. So if you see the score, the thing, they are slightly degrowth, but they are continuously very powerful sales growth in the last 2 years. Okay, so you have to really follow this company. It's a mid-cap company, Avas Financials. Okay, now if you go down, this company will not do well. They have already lost their thing. Let's go down, Vikash. एक नीचे क्यों जा रहा है बेटा? तुम एक एक कर, हाँ, इस पे रिटर्न है, राइट? ये वाला कर दे, या 12 है, 14 है. Take this company 19, Vikash. Take this company 19. Okay, great QBS score, friend. Makash mark 19. Continuous sales growth 6%, 20, 73, 47%, 17. 5-year average 32% sales growth. In the last 2 years, the stock has moved by 400%. Which company is this? Last 2 years, 400% growth. Anil Kumar ji, very good. Anil ji, right. Only one person has got it right. Wrong answer. Naveen, Vidyasagar ji, wrong answer. Mitesh, wrong. APC has got it right. Venkat has got it right. So this is how you decide from the history. Okay. So basically what I wanted to do with you guys was that really focus on the sales. Any company which is growing the sales by 30-40% in the last 5 years, 1 year and current quarter, those are the best stocks in the market. Okay. So I'll show you the name also for everybody because many people may not know. Some people have got it right. Anupam has got it right. Lalit has got it right. It is Dixon Technologies. Okay. So friends who are already my customers, please go in the app. I'll show in the app how you can do it very quickly. You guys should go in the app. Five-year CAGR, na, because in the,
yeah.
And we are making it more easy. Exactly the sales screener we are making. So you can see this new thing which we have developed, which you will be able to see in the next 7 to 10 days, where you will exactly come that which are the top sales company, which I should never miss. So in the stock screener, it is not so good, but you can do it right now with some level of, if you go to sales, so you can actually put it here, 5-year CAGR, 4-year CAGR, and you can actually do it here also. Which are the companies? Don't show it, because so these are the, you can do it 5-year, 4-year CAGR, 3-year CAGR, but we are making it more easier. The new sales trainer will be much more easier, where those 20-30 companies will definitely do well in future. They should be part of your portfolio, which are the top companies. Okay. So now, so to understand, and if you want, and who has portfolios with you? Who has portfolios, friends? Did you enjoy the session? Did you understand one thing? This is another way to come down to 15-20 good stocks. So good QBS, friend, good QBS, good AGS, and then do the sales growth or the highest sales growth companies. Okay, those will obviously do well in future. Okay, anybody has any, if you want to do this one-to-one, friends, okay, if you want to do this one, AGS, sales filter, parameters, add it like QBS. Yes, correct. Mr. Venkateswaran, we are adding this in the next 2-3 days. Krishnamurthy, AGS is alpha generator score. those companies which are always beating Nifty. There are companies when the market goes up, the share prices do not go up. This is my best buy concept. AGS, QBS and highest sales is the best way to make money in the stock market, Mr. Abhijit. Okay, friends, you can take one-to-one training also, and we can show you all these stocks when you come one-to-one. You know, you can see all these stocks, whether those companies are also getting tallied with your stocks. Okay, so if you have a stock, you can take one-to-one. We can show them one-to-one. Net profit is already considered Devashi in QBS. Sales होगा जब ही तो profit होगा ना. अगर आपका sales अगर right पकड़ लिए Mr. Devashish Poddar, and then you have the QBS, then the QBS is company which is already in profits. So you can take one-to-one training, friends. It is going to come, Raghuramji. It's going to be added today evening or tomorrow morning, Raghuramji, for all the stocks. It will be added today evening. The highest AGS is last 20 quarters is 15. That means that the maximum time a company can beat Nifty is 75%. Okay, so book your, you can book your one-to-one slot, friends who are with us. You can book this slot one-to-one. Please click, Vikash. This is how you generate the maximum profit in the market. Okay, so you can check, get your one-to-one training. You can identify quality stocks, which stocks you can buy, the sector leaders, which company has good AGS. All these things can be done free to you. Amarji, SMS has been sent to everyone. Vikas, send the link. Mr. Venkateshwaran, any company which is above 2,000 crore market cap can be bought in the small cap space. Mr. Prasanna Kumar, what is your question, please? Can you ask too many questions, Mr. Prasanna Kumar? Can you ask again? Maybe I missed it. Mr. Prasanna Kumar, there are too many questions. It moves. Please ask again. When to sell a stock? Oh, I showed that. Okay. Whenever there is a degrowth in sales, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, after quarterly results, I'll show you. See, this is exit and parameters. Mr. Prasanna Kumar, in the website, click Vikash. Some people ask the same question. Okay, but Mr. Makran, the history of Tanla Solution is not very good. You have to be careful, and it's a small cap company. You have to be careful about it. Okay, so especially degrowth, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, we have given you when you should exit. So whenever somebody increases the debt, or whenever companies increases pledge or has a degrowth, you should sell that company. Okay, companies which have low QBS, low AGS, you can sell those companies also. So Mr. Prasanna Kumar, you can take one-to-one training. My person will explain you this. Okay, let's go back to, we can send the link.
Yeah, already given.
All stocks we beat. Yes, correct. Yes, correct, Mr. APCC.
Yeah.
The link, if you want to do one-to-one. Another thing, when are you coming out with a short-term trading? We are not coming out with any short-term trading strategy, Mr. Prasanna Kumar. What is the QBS of Agrotech Food? You can check yourself, Mr. Ashish Bodh. It's free. You can check yourself. Or you come to, please fill up this form. My person will answer all one-to-one questions. Mr. Anthony Alfred, please ask again the question, please. How to interpret company with high QBS but showing overvalued, with low QBS but showing undervalued. Low QBS undervalued is horrible, Mr. Masudul. Don't invest. Okay. High QBS, even overvalued, you can still invest because those companies have high quality. High quality is always a better investment than low quality. Low QBS, never invest, Mr. Masudul Hassan. At least 10%, Mr. Deep Rana. I try to prefer 20%, Mr. Deep Rana. So I try to prefer 20% in sales growth. It gives me a very good idea. Mr. Muktarati, till the time the company is having sales growth, you hold the stock for 3 years, 5 years. There are certain companies which is continuing sales growth. You hold till that time. You don't sell. Yes, fantastic, Aditya. That's fantastic. Yes, Mr. Rajesh Chandrachud. Yes. Oh, sorry, Deep Rana. Sorry. Have purchased on strong buy recommendation. Now the score has gone down. My question there. What is your question, Mr. Anthony Alfred? Can you please ask your question again? Minimum AGS should be at least 11. Definitely greater than 10, Anupamji. Definitely greater than 10. Minimum AGS greater than 10. Yes, we're adding the new stock list tomorrow, Mr. Aditya Raj. That's correct. Mr. Leo, fundamental. So you can change your stock in the same sector to a better sector later, Mr. Leo. We don't give intraday calls, Mr. Swadeep Singh. We give solid calls. We give solid companies which the prices with 80% chance the prices will go up. We don't bother about 2 months, 3 months. But in 6 month range, 1 month range, our stocks definitely go up. That is the good thing about our stocks. Okay, friends, we want to introduce another great thing which you can do. We can show the small case. Now you can buy. Next time दिखा देंगे बस अभी नया स्टॉक आ जाता है. हाँ. Next time से दिखा देंगे. We will be launching the Asim Pawati will be launching the sales screener. We'll be launching the sales screener in the next 7 to 10 days. Mr. Muktarati, if you're a customer, all stocks are whether cheap or not, it is given in my app. Mr. Vinod Yadav, somebody will call you. Please fill up this form, and and there is a time. You just join in that time, and you will be able to do it, Mr. Yadav. Please fill again. Maybe they have missed it. Please fill again. Please share price details of app. Everything is there on the app, Mr. Muktarati. Because all the pricing, everything is on the app. I'll show you. Mr. Naveen, don't focus on turnaround companies, because that is a very dangerous strategy to lose money. Today evening, Mr. Abhijit, today or tomorrow, AGS will be active. See, everything is there. Subscriptions is there. In Nifty OI data is showing greed. Yes, the booking profit is happening. Profit booking is happening. We have more than 1,000, Mr. Parimal. Free training to see your Mr. Muktarati. If you fill up, it's a free training to know your stocks, to know which is the QBS, what is the good sales, what is the good AGS. Yes, it is sensible if you know to pick good QBS with low P is a good strategy, Mr. Leo. But it should be a good company. A good company with low value, low Quanterian is a good strategy. A bad company, Quanterian is not good. First, understand good quality companies. That is the most important part. The 4-day program is here. Please open the 4-day program. Mr. APC, please join the 4-day program. It is starting from 23rd. It is here. The entire details of the program is here, 23rd to 26th. Yeah, we provide Mr. ADV Chandrani. We provide the training on this 4-day program, Chandrani ji. We do provide. It is online training, RSV Menon. This is online training on Zoom from 23rd to 26th November. How frequently? The QBS only changes once in a quarter, Mr. CSN Rao. The QBS changes only once in a quarter. Please fill up the one-to-one. How many people have stocks in the DMAT? People who have not taken training or who are not my customers. How many stocks do you have in your DMAT? Friends, Mr. RSV Menon, then you should definitely check, get these stocks changed. Mr. Vidya Shagar, please get these stocks checked. Gupta Rati, get your 5 and 6 stocks checked free. Mr. Rajiv Virmani, get your stocks checked. Mr. Yadav, Rajiv, Mungarwadi, VK Mohan, Satyendra ji, Surajit. Yes, you will get recording, Mr. Naveen. If you buy, you will get the previous recording also and the current recording also. Okay. So please get your stocks checked. It's free of cost on the app. Is the SMS sent, Amarji? Amarji, is the SMS sent? Yes, we are giving training not on the app, on the how to be the stock master, how to know the stock selection system. That is what we train. Yes, you can get the previous recordings also, Mr. Prasanna Kumar. If you pay, you'll get the previous recording and the live section. We don't have any lifetime validity. No, it is not a cell, Mr. Rajesh Chandrachud. That is not a HCL, is not a cell.
Yes, SMS has gone.
I'm getting slot for 21st. It must be full, Mr. Vidya Shagar. It gets filled very fast, the one-to-one. It's in high demand because कल का stock कल का 20th का available नहीं है क्या?
देख लेते हैं.
It is helpful, Mr. Surajit, not much, but you will get some good ideas, good stocks. Even if you do trading, it will help you very much, Mr. Surajit Chaudhary. But we are not a intraday option. We will teach you some nifty strategies also, Surajit ji. We have a nifty strategy which you can take training from. And we have a derivative strategy.
Saturday.
Kalka, tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
It's a great company. Don't worry about Britannia. It's a great company. Mr. Prasanna Kumar, we don't teach derivatives per se. We teach stock selection. We teach fundamentals. No, it is not complimentary, Mr. Mukta Rati. The details are given. Vikas, दिखा दे Mukta Rati को details. This is a no. Well, pricing, what are the different things? It's all available here. All details are here.
You need to click on the
on derivatives. You take my Nifty program. You take the Nifty program derivative or stock derivatives, and then you can come for the training for me. Then I teach derivative trading. We already have the training program for derivative. show the date to Prasanna Kumar Vikash? So my derivative training, you can see the training program, trainings of my Shailesh Sharaf. So my next derivative training is on 1st December, Mr. Prasanna Kumar. If you buy this strategy, you will get the training. Okay, thank you, Mr. Please fill up the one-to-one form, friends. You will get the training, and you first develop trust with us, because there are many research houses, but we believe in evidence-based research. We give you a lot of free training first, and then you will like to become a customer automatically. Mr. Prasanna Kumar, please first take, then don't go to derivatives. First take the stock training first, this 4-day program. Take the 4-day program first, and then. Yes, usse milega. Yes, Masudul ji. All the strategies come with the training program. All strategies come with a training program, Mr. Masudul Hassan Khan. Yes, we are still following the backtesting strategy, which is doing very well. Please explain the package. Mr. Muktarati, please fill up the form, and my person will explain you for 1 hour everything. He will check your shares, he will help you in mutual funds, he will tell you about the different strategies, he will show you all the returns, he will show you everything, Mr. Muktarati. Next month, Mr. Amresh Chaudhary, next month. But you can take the recording, you can pay the recording, and you can go live next month also, Mr. Amresh Chaudhary. You can pay right now. Yes, from the link. Because they send the link again I'm sending the link in the chat box again. That is not correct. APC, Mr. Galaxy certificate is only listed in the last 2 years. The AGS is not low. It is 7 out of 11. So percentage is very high. It is not 20 quarters. APCC. It was only listed in the last 2 years. So it is 7 out of 11, 2 or 3 years only. Okay. You will buy the next day, Aditya Raj, all the stocks. I'll release tomorrow evening. You buy everything day after tomorrow or on Monday. So this is the link. You can click the link and fill up the time when you have time, and you can take the training. Any final questions, friends? There are 140 people. Any final questions you have? Any final questions people have? Please take the one-to-one training, friends. Take the free one-to-one training. Understand the product. About 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Mr. Sadeep Singh is one-to-one. They will help you. Minimum 15. Miss Deep Rana, minimum 15 and above. 20 and higher is even better. So you can see all the stock which has great ROC in my app. You can take the free training, Miss Deep Rana. You can fill up the form and they will explain you this. Yes, Mr. Murthy, today evening or tomorrow? Yes, we'll check APCC. The app is doing well. Only the website has some issues. Yes, you can buy my, yes, Mr. Masudul, you can buy my strategies and you can do SIP through my strategies. Please take one-to-one Masudul Hassan Khan ji. One-to-one, please le lijiye. It will be easy for you. Please take the one-to-one. So then you know all the questions, what are the different strategies. Are you already my customer? Okay, so then fantastic, fantastic. If you have any more questions, you can ask more questions to them. Yeah, it was a good game, APC, right? You can take again Mr. Masudul Hassan Khan if you have more questions. Yes, great. Swadeep Singh ji, we have the full quality mutual fund. They will check your mutual fund. They will do many things. Please take the quality mutual funds also. Not right now. AGS will be done by today evening or tomorrow. Sales filter will come by next week. This is the new thing which I wanted to show you. Yes, Mr. Suriji Chaudhary, all the study material is given in the 4-day program. So if you study the 4-day program, you can know everything. Time slot is not taking date. Mukhtar Ati, please give your number. Somebody will call you. Because Mukhtar Ati ka phone number de dena na, so that they can do it.
Yes.
Which stock is this, Mr. Jagan Naidu? Which stock are you talking about? Dhanuka, okay. Bharat Rasayan Coromandel is even better than Dhanuka, Mr. Jagan Naidu, and PI Industries. These three are even better than Dhanuka. Dhanuka has a low AGS, whereas Coromandel, PI Industries is better, Bharat Rasayan is better. Yes, you can leave now. Thank you, Mr. Mohan. Any final questions, friends? Anybody has? Please elaborate on Indian terrain. Mr. J.S. Yadav, please take 1-to-1. My person will answer all your questions on every share.
Number provided to Prateek for Mukhtar Ati.
Hang in app. I did not get what is wrong. I not understand. Mr. Devashish Poddar, please take 1-to-1. My person will explain you. Please take 1-to-1. My person will explain you everything. Anybody has any questions? Final questions, friends? Please fill up the 1-to-1 training form. Please take the free training and get all your answers query cleared, and then we can move forward. Any final questions, friends? Okay, thank you, friends. The session is ended. Thank you very much. The session is ended now. I hope nobody has any questions now. Please fill up the 1-to-1, take the free training, get all your queries answered. Thank you very much.